What's up J Squad, welcome back to my channel. So it's currently 8:30 a.m. and we are here in Nice Road for the review of FB Mondial HPS 300. So it's a single cylinder bike with 249cc 25 bhp at 9000 rpm, and it's got 22 Nm at 7000 rpm torque. I have not ridden the bike yet, so my friend currently is riding the bike. He's test riding it, and I'll get the bike in some time to review. Till then, I'm trying to see how good it is in the highways. Unfortunately, I cannot go fast because my bike is a new bike and I should remain below 6000 rpm, so I can maintain only 100 kilometers per hour right now. Oh my god, he's just flying. So what's the best point about the bike is that it just weighs around 135 kgs, which makes the power to weight ratio a bit good on that bike. And what's not good is the fact that the bike cost around 4,50,000 on road, and ex-showroom price is around 3,37,000. So yeah, he's currently reviewing the bike, and as you can see, it's very short compared to the BMW here. So first impression of the bike is that it is not for tall riders. So I am 6.4, and as you can see, when I turn the handlebar, it hits my leg. The bike is really short compared to my GS there. But other than that, the fit and finish of the bike is really good. It's got very nice detailing to it. Now let's try riding the bike. The rider's triangle is absolutely perfect, and I'm in a very comfortable posture right now. I think I can go on like this forever. Let's try giving it a throttle. It's easily touching 100 km per hour. Fifth gear, 128. It's kind of difficult to cross 130. It can mostly be because of my weight, but yeah, 0 to 100 it's quick, but after 120 it struggles a lot. Top speed is around 140, and right now I am in 60 speed, and as you can see, the engine is prompting me to downshift, but if I give a little throttle, it smoothens out. So at this price range, you get the BMW 310R, you get the BMW 310 GS, and there are a lot of bikes which are even less than the ex-showroom price of this bike, like the KTM Duke 390. You got the all-new CB 300R, but what you get here is the brand FB Mondial. And the main thing which I like about this bike is the fact that it's a beautiful looking bike. It's got that retro styling, and no other bike has this sort of styling. Yes, there is RE650 GT, but it's nowhere close to the styling of this bike. And we'll get to hear a lot more about this bike from Nandish himself. So he has ridden this bike more. Oh my god, it's actually struggling a lot in lower gears. I think it's after the point of 4000 RPM the bike feels alive. Let me try stopping here and let's see if we can get a shot. This bike has off-roading tires, and I'm testing the off-roading capabilities of this bike, and it feels very stable, at least from what I've experienced right there. For a 250cc bike, it's got the power, but price point is almost as equal as my GS there. That's only because of the fact that all the parts are imported from Italy and assembled here in India. So maybe in future FB Mondial will manufacture the parts in India and the prices might go down, and that's what we are hoping for, because these bikes are amazing and it's got really amazing looks. So now I'm exiting the highway and getting into the city. So now I'll be able to give you a city ride review. I feel that the width of the seat is less, which is making me a little uncomfortable. Let's do a brake test. It's got a powerful brake, so on the braking front, thumbs up. See, like I told you, I have to downshift a lot when it comes to roads like this. I will not be able to ride the bike in higher gears. The suspension of this bike is slightly on the stiffer side, which is actually good when you're cornering the bike. It's very nimble and easy to corner as well. I'm not sure if you guys can hear the exhaust note of the bike. When I give the throttle, it absolutely screams. It's a pretty loud exhaust note. But yes, this is where the bike struggles, at lower gears, at lower RPMs. Sup J Squad. So we have Nandish here who will be explaining to us about the FB Mondial, and Aditya here is also a YouTuber, and his channel name is House of Wheels India.
Yeah,
so
do subscribe.
Yes, do subscribe. I'll put the link to his channel in the description below. So having said that, let's get started.
Hi, good morning guys. Today we are going to take a review of FB Mondial. FB Mondial is one of the Italian company. It is recently come to India through Motoroyale Kinetic. It's a completely retro classic looking motorcycle which comes with a 250cc single cylinder DOHC. It's one of the classic retro looking motorcycles in India, and it comes with hipster segment. Hipster is nothing but the combination of a cafe racer and a scrambler. See, the seat is very good. It comes with a leather seat. The detailing part, the HPS, it's known for hipster, and we have a good tank which comes with a 9.5 liters capacity, and we have a sporty handlebar. See the detailing part of FB Mondial. Even in the grips we can see. This is the only bike where we get the bar and mirrors, and we have an offset meter console. It grabs the attentions of the people when you ride in the road. And we have 145 mm of ground clearance and 178 mm of seat height.
So now let's start the vehicle and listen to the exhaust note. Let's see what Aditya has to say.
It was actually pretty okay.
Like, how was the pillion experience of the bike?
Oh damn. I was scared to death actually. While taking off from here I was scared to death actually. But then it was quite okay. Once you sit on it for a little bit, it's quite okay. For short rides.
Yeah, I think it's
very
fine
short
for
rides.
short people and those who are thin.
Yeah.
But if you have a heavy person or a tall person like me, then it could become a problem.
Yeah, obviously.
So that's what we feel. So I would like to thank Motoroyale Kinetic for providing us this bike for review. It's been an amazing day and amazing experience riding the bike. So if you need more information about the bike, you can contact Motoroyale Kinetic. I'll put the contact details in the description below. You can call them or walk into Motoroyale showroom and they'll help you further. So having said that, let's end the video. If you like the video, please do click on the like button, do subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Until next time.